Hello students, today we will discuss another method of depreciation which is called sinking fund method. So let's start. So hello friends, so today we discuss another method of depreciation of equipments of a power plant engineering, that is called sinking fund method, or sometimes it is called present worth value. So in this method, a fixed depreciation charge is made every year and interest compound on it annually. The constant depreciation charge is such that total of annual installment plus the interest accumulates equal to the cost of replacement of the equipments after its useful life. So let's consider P is the initial value of the equipment, that is the capital, N is the useful life of the equipments, S is the scrap value after useful life or salvage value, R is the annual rate of interest expressed in terms of decimal, not in terms of suppose 10%, meaning is that 0.1. Then cost of replacement will be P minus S. So let's consider Q is set aside as a depreciation charge every year. Every year the Q amount of money is supposed to give, and interest compounded on it so that an amount of P minus S means capital, that is the initial value minus scrap value, is available after n years. N years means after useful years. An amount Q at a rate of R, which is the annual rate of interest, will be Q into 1 plus R to the power n at the end of n years. How come it became R 1 plus Q 1 plus R to the power n? Let's try to understand that. So let's consider at the end of first year, amount you supposed to give is Q amount you have to give, and again you have to give the interest of Q, that is R in the decimal. So if it is 10%, then it will be Q plus Q 0.1. So R is the interest. So for first year it is Q 1 plus R whole is 1 plus R. Similarly, at the end of second year, the amount is now after second year will be Q plus R. So Q plus R. Again the interest rate is same, so Q plus Q plus R into interest R. And after simplification you will get Q 1 plus R to the power 2. So similarly for the third year, it will be Q into 1 plus R to the power 3. After the year of fourth year, Q into 1 plus R to the power 4, like that. And at the end of n years, it will be Q into 1 plus R to the power n. Okay, so let's try to understand. Now the amount Q deposited at the end of first year will be earned compound interest for the year n minus 1. So if you consider the total useful year is n years, right? So after 1 year, the year remain will be n minus 1, right? And amount Q has to be deposited at the end of first year will be Q1 plus R, Q into 1 plus R to the power n minus 1. Why it is n minus 1? Because it is after 1 year. Okay? Similarly, the amount Q deposited at the end of second year will be Q into 1 plus R to the power n minus 2. Why it is n minus 2? The total useful year is n. So after 2 years, how much year will remain? N minus 2. Similarly, amount of Q deposited at the end of third year will be Q into 1 plus R to the power n minus 3. Similarly, for the end of fourth year will be Q into 1 plus R to the power n minus 4. So like that, you will get Q deposited at the end of n minus 1. So before the last useful year, that is the n year, that is n minus 1 year, it will be Q into 1 plus R. Q into 1 plus R. So now the total fund after n years will be the summation from the first, second, third, fourth up to n years, n minus 1 years. So after summation, you will get Q into 1 plus R to the power n minus 1 plus Q into 1 plus R to the power n minus 2 plus Q 1 plus R. After rearrange this mathematical series, you will get Q into 1 plus R to the power n minus 1 divided by R. So this is your mathematical series. From the mathematics, you will get this simple formula. Now, this total fund must be equal to the cost of the replacement of the equipment, that is P minus S. P minus S means P is the capital, this is the initial cost, minus this is your scrap value or salvage value. So let's try to equal it. So P minus S is equal to Q 1 plus R to the power n minus 1 divided by R. Here the small q is sinking fund, which is equal to P minus S into R by 1 plus R to the power n minus 1. And this factor R by 1 plus R n minus 1 is called sinking fund factor. So this is the simple derivation of sinking fund factor or present worth value of a depreciation of equipments of a power plant engineering. So let's try to solve one numerical. So this is your numerical. Determine the annual cost of a feed water softener from the following datas. So basically in the power plant, in the steam power plant, they use softener. Feed water softener is used in a thermal power plant. So that is one of the equipments of the power plant. So those are the following datas are given. Cost, that is your P is given. P is 80,000. Salvage value is 5%. 5% of this P. Then annual repairing is 2,500. Annual cost of the chemical is 5,000. And labor cost per month. Here labor cost per month is given 300. And interest on sinking fund is 5%. So those are the given data. Now try to solve this problem. So in this problem, the given data are, it is your initial cost, that is your P is given, which is 80,000 rupees. Okay, then you can easily find out the salvage value, that is your S is given by 5%. So 5 by 100 into 80,000, which will be, you can easily find out, is 4,000. And N is given here 10 years. N is 10 years. Okay. So basically in this problem, so this is your problem where N is not given actually, that is your useful year, you can say it is N is 10 years. Okay, N is 10 years. So that is your 10 years. Then R is given, that is rate of interest, which is equal to 5%. Okay. Now you find out annual sinking fund, that is your Q, you have to find it out. As you know, this is PS, that is your R, 1 plus R to the power n minus 1. Now this value will be how much? 80,000, 4,000. Okay. R will be how much? 0.05, because it is 5%. So R will be, so R in terms of decimal, this is your 1 plus 0.05 to the power 10 minus 1. So after simplification, you will get, you have to find out how much you will get. I think it's most probably 6040. Okay, 6040, that is annual sinking fund. So total cost per year, it will be what? Annual sinking fund, this is your 6040. Then annual repair, which is already given, 2500. And another one is annual annual cost of chemical, which is equal to 500, okay, and annual cost of labor, so annual cost of labor will be 300 per month, so it will be 12, so it became 3600. Now you have to add all this 6,040, 2,500, 5,000, 3,600. If you add, you will get the answer. So answer you will find it out. So this is one of the numerical we solve by using sinking fund method. Try to solve few numerical on this particular topic. Thank you. I hope you understand.